Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're going to test out Lapua Biathlon Xtreme ammunition. Alright, to do our Lapua test again. So we're sitting at pretty average, about 2-mile-an-hour crosswind from right to left. There's our target at 50 yards. And let's see what kind of gusts we're getting here. Yeah, so gusting around 5, averaging around 2. It's almost impossible now to get perfect weather with no wind anymore, so 5 mile an hour isn't that bad. 50 yards and 100 yards. Gonna have my magnetospeed chronograph showing you the velocities. Got the ammunition right here. That's what it looks like. It's got some crazy, like, different bullet shape to it. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna start off with 10 foulers just to get the barrel seasoned for this ammunition at 50, and we'll see where we're impacting at that range as well. And then we'll go for groups. We'll do, I guess, 2 groups. And then we'll go to 100 yards and we'll do the same thing. Let's get started. Alright, first target at 50 yards. I'm gonna shoot the top left. The target's moving ½ inch left to right, wobbling back and forth, so let's see what happens. So that was very high and left. Alright, so we're looking at like 1.5 inches there. I'm gonna move it right. Go a mil right, shoot another group. And that'll be our 10 foulers, and then we'll go for the actual 5 shots. That one's looking a bit better. We're still over ½ inch. Now, 5 shots, 4 groups, so go back ½ mil, and I'm gonna aim at the square on the right. Here we go. Well, that one's around 1 inch as well. Anyways, let's take it to 100 now and see what we get. All right, here we are at 100 yards now. Let's see what we can get done with this ammo. Yeah, that's what we're going to be shooting in, so keep that in mind. Pretty much gusting at 10 to 12 miles an hour and sustained 5+ mile an hour winds. For the first group, I'm gonna go up 1.6 and I'm just gonna hold for the bottom edge of that diamond, like the bottom point, and then I'll adjust from there for the next group. Can't shoot without my bolt. As you can tell, tons of wind, not very good for shooting 22s past 50 yards anyways. So I'm not really going to count the horizontal spread, but the vertical of this group was basically, we're looking at about a 1/2 inch vertical spread and horizontal like over 2.5 inches. So that's not very good, and I'm blaming this all on the wind. Might have to revisit this one as well. Well, those are pretty much everywhere, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. But let's do another 5-shot and see what we can do. This time I'm going to go down 0.6, so I'm going to be at 1 mil, and I'm going to aim the same hold. Yeah, it should be enough of a separation to tell the different groups. Here we go. Well, we learned something in this video. Wind sucks. You probably already knew that. For 22s anyways, wind sucks. So 100-yard groups were huge on the horizontal spread. Vertical wasn't too bad, so probably has a lot more accuracy in it than I've shown here. 50 yards wasn't too bad. Wind was a bit calmer in the morning when I shot that, and then the 100 yards it was gusting pretty good. So anyways, take it with a grain of salt. That's just this ammo in my rifle at 100 yards in the wind. All right, guys, take care. All the stats and the shot group data is coming up after this.